Hey everybody, right here is a once over detail picture. I'm detailing it. This is the first time. You can see my scrub brush, my Dawn, and my little soap pan. But check this out, I'm about to drop a battery in this baby. Look, brand new. It's a little wet right now, but what do you see on that battery? 5 of 25. Putting a brand new battery in this. I had a customer reaching out, said they needed a good lawnmower. They didn't necessarily want to go buy and pay $3,000. So I told her I could actually get it for, you know, right around $1,500, half price, with 161 hours on it. I'll show you what I got. I'm finished cleaning this baby. She's a Kohler, 24 horse. Right there. I'm about to do an oil change, air filter, sharpen the blades, install the battery. That's what we're doing. Take these off. Caps, brand new battery. We'll set that right in. Now we have the battery back in place. We got the negative and the positive right here. We'll go ahead and set this camera right here. It's not letting me. Let me set it right over here. We do the negative right here. And positive. So we're gonna do the positive first, just so you know that. Here's our positive with the red. Hold on 1 second while I get a wrench. Okay.
I got the money for the parts, but I don't have a card, so I was asking my son if he'd do it. Well, you gotta put the money on there. And then he said he had money on there for the electric bill, which isn't due till the 12th. But I don't know what the hell his reasoning is, but last day of riding on that, since I got a transfer is the 12th.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna figure that out.
Yeah, I just tied up my money right here.
Y'all up back.
Like always. Just trying to help the person.
Yep.
Get something a little better, you know.
It's a nice tractor.
Yeah, I'm almost done detailing it.
It ain't that old either, huh?
No, it's a 20.
2020?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
And
Nice shape, though.
they only got it like 3 years ago, so it was actually on the floor, in stock.
Yeah.
And
So it's only really 3 years old.
yeah,
3 years usage.
3 years used.
That's not bad. Not at all.
Okay, there's your battery installation. I'm gonna come back over here one more time, make sure that I'm tight. That's what I do. Always make sure. Because bad battery ground or bad battery terminals is not a good concept for anything. Okay, there's your new battery in. Now I'm gonna adjust the seat for the person for it to be bigger. I'll show you how to do that. You loosen this right here up. That way it slides. And then this way when you push this, well, I don't know if we can do this.